Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Venus Laluran, 44 years old, married with 3 kids, age 16, 13, and 5. I have 2 work experience in Singapore. That was on 2001 to 2003. There are 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 kids. My duties are cleaning the house, washing clothes, washing dishes, washing car, ironing, mopping, vacuuming, and do marketing and cooking. My second employer was also in Singapore. That was on 2005 to 2007. There are 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 kids. My duties are cleaning the house, mopping, vacuuming, ironing, washing clothes, washing dishes, washing car, do marketing, and cooking. My third employer was here in the Philippines as a kitchen staff in a pantry section of a hotel and restaurant. My duties are preparing the food, decorating the food, cleaning the area, and washing the utensils. My fourth employer was here in the Philippines as a nanny on 2020 to 2023. My main duties are cleaning the house, washing clothes, washing dishes, sending the kids to school, fetching them from school, and play with them for some times. Mom and Sir, you won't regret if you choose me because I am honest, obedient, kind, trustworthy, dedicated to my work. See you soon, Mom and Sir. God bless us all. Thank you. Bye.